Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and to another video. This week we take a detour from Crusading Castle ruins and go for a wander around the lovely WINKWORTH Arboretum in Surrey. Owned now by the National Trust, who look after and nurture this 95-acre woodland with over 1,000 different types of flowers, trees and shrubs. It's known for its tranquil and calming setting when spring has sprung. But the main event and the reason why many people flock here is for the gorgeous autumnal tones that ooze out. WINKWORTH is best viewed in late April and early May for the lovely bluebells, or late October to mid-November for the stunning change in season and the tones of orange, red and browns. But in the 364 days that the Arboretum is open, there really is so much to see and appreciate. We start off the trail by looking at the handy map right at the beginning, where you can choose a trail with different levels of incline. We decided to follow the red route, which was more strenuous in some inclines, but otherwise really pleasant and calming. We noticed the blue trail was a wheelchair accessible trail and led along the forest so that everybody has the opportunity to enjoy the Arboretum. The 95-acre Arboretum was founded by a man named Dr. Wilfred Fox. He was a dermatologist in the UK and practiced at St George's Hospital in London and became passionate about the environment and nature. He started in 1938 and continued throughout World War II. He cleared all of the land and planted it very carefully with particular trees and shrubs in mind, and this was to maximise an autumnal experience. After the land was established, he presented it to the National Trust, and in 1948 Dr. Fox was awarded the highest honour of the Royal Horticultural Society. And just by wandering around this incredible place, you can see why. We enjoyed a slightly muddy walk around the tops of the trail and then headed down to what's known as Badger's Bowl. Named this way because the landscape is shaped just like a bowl. These trees to our right are Acer sugar maples. They are native to the hardwood forests of eastern Canada and the eastern United States. They turn a lovely orange, red and yellow in autumn and greenish yellow in spring. They are easily identifiable for their 5-lobed leaves in the iconic maple leaf sign that is seen in many places. Other trees here are the Japanese maples that were planted for the 100th year anniversary of the National Trust in 1995. And this bench is a perfect place to sit and admire the view. inside the bowl. It was placed here in the shape of a 60 to mark the 60th year anniversary of the Arboretum in 2012. As we wander on, we come across one of the most interesting types of trees we've ever seen. This is called a monkey puzzle tree, part of the evergreen family, and it can grow to a height of 50 metres high and live for 1,000 years. I just love its spiral arrangement and how it looks exactly like the perfect tree that monkeys would enjoy climbing. It's so cool, and I love how incredibly well the tree thrives here at Winkworth. We head inside to the boathouse and take a wander to the viewpoint across the lake. Unfortunately, with a lack of evidence, it's difficult to say exactly when this boathouse was built, but when Dr. Fox purchased the land in 1937, the lake and the boathouse had already been created. In 1920, a Captain Fisher Roe owned the land at the time, and the lakes were created. So this creates a direct link to the name of the lake and the part of the Arboretum, which is now called Roe's Flash. The reason behind the construction of the boathouse is thought to be for sporting activities, fishing, shooting, and for pleasure boating. The boathouse was built in a beautiful yet rustic Edwardian style, and it really is such a great picture opportunity and a great place to sit and listen to nature. One of my favourite things to do here was admire the mirrored trees in the lake. It was so calm and picture perfect with the trees in the backdrop. Our last main stop off was to the meadows, of course taking a slow wander around and taking in all of the different sounds and sights, as every moment passed was different. Taking a look back over the lake, this would have been the daily view that Dr. Fox would have had on his way home at Winkworth Farm. This was ultimately the place where his vision for planting for autumn came into view. It's not only the leaves that burn bright with dark colours, but the tree stumps have a glowing, fiery redwood that stands out. I find it fascinating the variety that this one place has. Not one tree is the same, and this is why the place is so unique and adored by nature lovers everywhere. Some of the best autumnal yellows are found near the tulip trees, on Badger's Bowl and on the main pathway. Again, there is just so much to look around for. Another great thing is that the Arboretum encourages you to bring your furry, four-legged friends here to explore with you. And it's truly a place for everybody, no matter your physical ability. And it's just such a nice day out with family and friends. If you've never been to an Arboretum before, please go and see for yourself. Better yet, head to Winkworth and enjoy a day of green spaces. So we really hope you've enjoyed our trip today, and we hope that we've encouraged you to get out there and enjoy for yourself. If you've liked what you've seen, please hit that like button, click the notification bell and consider subscribing to the channel or on our Patreon. We'd like to give a thanks to our Patreons and a thank you to those choosing to watch. We'll see you in the next one. Till next time.